Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to actually finish the process of replacing your laptop broken screen. The screen is broken. I'll put a link to the video where I will show you how to actually get it out. Alright, so we're actually going to just go back to the process very quickly and just actually show you how to replace this. Alright, so we have done all the work already in the previous video. So all I'm going to do now is just quickly disassemble this. Alright, so I'm going to remove this whole screen, and here I have the brand new screen from Amazon. I'll put a link to this so you can actually pick it up or pick up your replacement. The other video actually show you how to match it as well. So this has arrived. I've removed my personal information. Alright, so I'm just going to remove this very quickly and come back. Alright guys. Alright, so we're back. I've removed the screws from either side. There's 3 on this side and 3 on the other side. Alright, so what we're going to do here now is to actually remove this. So all you have to do is get to this sticky tape, and what we're going to do is actually remove this. Alright. Alright, so this is the connector. You lift from the base, remove the top off, and careful not to damage this section. Alright. Also, you want to get this section off as well. Alright, I'm going to switch this over here, and basically here we have the whole broken screen. Alright, as I said before, to match the screen I've put a link to the other video in which you can actually know how to change this. Alright, I'll show this one side and I'm going to get the new one. Alright, here you have the brand new one. This was bought on Amazon. Alright, you can see here it comes in a protective Alright, so as you can see here, this is the new screen. You gotta be very careful with this not to actually break it. Hold it to the sides. Here are the connector at the back, same model number. Alright, so I have to be careful with this. I'm gonna actually put this in place like this, and I'm gonna actually screw it back in. Alright, when I'm finished I'll come back. Alright guys, so I've basically put back in the new screen. As you can see here, I have the new one in. I'm not going to remove this piece of tape just as yet. I'm going to actually lay down the lid. All 3 screws are back in. So now to actually make the connection with the display. Now you want to be careful here. Remember, this thing here is basically going to lie along here. You have these tapes, make sure you lift them. Alright, so here's the tricky part. Alright, so this is the connector, and it's supposed to make a perfect connection with this section here. So I'm going to attempt to do that now. So you're going to be carefully, make sure you should hear a snap when it goes into place, and it should sit flush. What I normally do is to actually use the tape to actually help to get it in. So I'm pushing a little slightly down and up. If you come in very closely, right, closer, very close, as you can see, the connector is now fully made, connection I should say. Alright, so what I've done is now it's fully connected, it's sitting flush, see no gaps. And what I'm going to actually do now, once that is done, very easy, is to just put the sticky tape back in place, and they should hold the screen. Now the sticky tape sometime will go, so what you can actually do is use regular tape and basically just recreate these connections. I'm going to do that now off camera, and of course, remember to actually carefully and neatly, you're gonna lay this back into place along here. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this back into place and have it lay along here where it was before. And that should basically do it. So when you come back, I'm gonna have this all tidied up. Alright. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I've replaced the adhesive with a regular scotch tape, easy, and of course it's back in place. Next I'm gonna actually fit this up, come back and actually show you what it looks like when it's actually fitted up. Alright guys, so here I have actually reconnected the webcam with all of the connectors. All you have to do is use this little black tab and slide the connector back in place. It's a little bit tricky, but you can use something like a forceps when it's actually there and actually double check to make sure it's all the way up there. Alright. Now that this is done, I'm going to actually remove the this little thing from here. Try your best not to mess up the new screen by touching it. Alright, so I'm going to remove all these adhesive tapes. As you can see, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on back the front panel. I'm going to actually reconnect these hinges and I'm going to screw the screws back in and so on. So when this is all sealed up, I'm going to actually come back. Alright guys? Alright guys, it's now completed. As you can see here, I have fitted up, kind of reconnected the AC power supply. Here's the broken screen. Right, so here's the brand new laptop screen. It's in place. So I'm going to actually try pouring it up, and of course if this replacement has actually worked, it should just boot right up. Alright, so let's give it a test, the moment of truth. Alright, so as you can see here, it's up and running. This is a brand new screen. So the old one would have had a smash running straight through the center. The new one is working just fine. This is just a quick battery alert. So you can see it will just boot right up and start Windows normally. And of course, if you have been following along, you should be very happy right now. You've got a brand new screen and should be working. The smash is gone. Alright guys, so this has been a tutorial on how to actually replace your laptop screen. I'll put a link to the website. On the website you can get your any model screen that you're looking for, the best prices, and of course you'll be able to replace them with any model laptop, whether or not it's HP 2000 or any other model. Alright, so this hasn't boot up in a while, so that's why it's taking so long, but you can actually see that it's working and the entire display is 100% function. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Ricardo from Black Tech Tips saying goodbye, and if you are not a subscriber, please do consider subscribing. Bye. Alright, fully functional, no flaws as you can see, no dead pixels, 100% functional, fully replaced.